Hi guys, welcome to IQ Search channel. What is the answer of this question? 7 minus 2 then times. Open parentheses 9 minus 4 to the power of 2 close parentheses. Let's go through this question step by step and solve it together. To solve this question, many people first go straight to the subtraction between 7 and 2. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Then times 9 minus 4 times 4 equals 16 inside the parentheses. After that, they simplify the parenthesis and do subtraction between 9 and 16. 5 times 9 minus 16 equals minus 7. As there is a negative sign with the greater value, so we write minus 7. 5 times minus 7 equals minus 35. But this answer is definitely wrong. As you can see on the screen, and in this expression we have subtraction sign followed by a multiplication and finally parentheses. Inside this we have subtraction and exponent. Alright, to solve this question we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same level of priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify parentheses, because parentheses has higher priority than all other operations. Inside this parentheses we have subtraction and exponent. First we do exponent because after parentheses, exponent comes before subtraction. And rewrite this expression as 7 minus 2 then times open parentheses, 9 minus 4 times 4 equals 16, and then close parentheses. We have 9 minus 16 inside the parentheses. And simplify this expression as 7 minus 2 multiply 9 minus 16 equals minus 7. Okay, now we have subtraction and multiplication. First we do multiplication between 2 and 7 because multiplication comes before subtraction. So 7 minus 2 times 7 equals 14 and minus 14 inside the parentheses. Now a negative number multiply another negative number equals a positive number. Finally, 7 plus 14 equals to 21. And this is the final answer to this expression. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.